Hey guys, so today this video is about
the burping challenge.
Yeah, so we're gonna get an award. Did you just know something?
It was a nice cube. A mini one.
Hey, we're gonna get a lot of souls. And we're done. Okay, so I got our water. Wait, not yet. Her nails fell down. By the way, if you didn't know, she had nails on.
Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh, I have to pee.
Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. You don't have to choke it.
Don't choke it. Don't choke it. Don't just choke it. Don't just choke it. Don't just choke it. Choke it. Choke it.
And you can burp. Yeah, you can burp. And you can't pass them. It's gonna be hard for me.
Yeah, for her, because I hold it in.
But you can't hold it or pass it.
But
And now you lose.
because you don't know when I'm doing it.
Oh. Look, we have to eat ice, but we can't hear it at all. So,
What came in out here?
the ice cube will never chew it.
What came in out?
That's gonna be a challenge right now.
No! I have to chew. Look, I heard you chew it.
Yeah, I was chewing the ones over here. The ones I had already.
Still, it's not a challenge.
Okay.
So then you're gonna get learn in your mouth. No challenge. Either way, we have to be drinking the water more. Okay.
I have no ice.
Anyway, guys. When we're doing it, can you hear us? Can you hear us? Can y'all hear us? If y'all did, comment. If y'all didn't, tell me. Tell us.
Comment down below. We have not been getting comments or follows.
We have 0.
0 follows, 0 comments, 0 likes.
0.
There's only 9 views or 4. I forgot.
You just lost. I won.
Where's my pride? So, she was the one that won. So, comment down below who you think won. I messed up.
I messaged you. Wait, I'm a burp. I still have a lot of water left.
So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, ring that bell so you could get a notification when we post a new video. And we'll shout out you in the next video when whoever comments whoever says ice.
Wait, we forgot to ask one more question. What is your favorite combination of food? And what's your favorite drink? My favorite combination of food is hot Cheetos and chips. No, hot Cheetos and a melted nacho cheese.
My favorite snack.
And
My favorite
drink
snack is.
Oh yeah, by the way, it has to be a snack. I know.
It's
I'm
like
telling them, not you.
Takis with Blaze with salsa Valentina. And my favorite drink is Dr. Pepper.
You didn't even me. My favorite drink is Sprite and Coke. Okay, you just lost again.
So
Una puso.
una de jalapeño.
Okay, dame otra vez. Okay, go. Anyway, but yeah, comment your favorite food combination and
Muy bien.
what the heck?
Somebody from Snapchat. Show them what I made up her.
No.
Show them.
Wait. Can I see here?
No.
Ali.
Okay.
Okay, peace. By becoming your favorite food combination and your favorite drink.
Peace out.
And